All right, you guys, welcome to Friday. As always, you're going to get a sick pump today. All right, here's what we're going to start with. Warm-up wise, we're going to do 5 sciatic nerve flosses per side. Make sure you're taking your time and not rushing through those and getting that feel for that hamstring and that sciatic nerve getting pulled to full length. And then you guys will go into 10 hollow rocks, so holding that hollow position really tight, but allowing that movement to complicate things a little bit. All right, if that's too complicated for you, you could always bring your knees in a little bit so that it's a little easier to hold hollow, or you can just hold hollow for 30 seconds. All right, from there you're going to go into 5 Cossack squats per side, or 10 alternating, and then 5 squat jumps, so squatting down, jumping up, focusing on developing speed as you get up. All right, that's going to be your warm-up, 3 rounds of it. Then you're going to go into the build. Today's build is a little bit complicated, so pay as close attention as possible. But you're going to be doing 3 split squat complexes on each leg. Here's what the split squat complex is. It's 7 bottom end split squats, so just the lower half of the movement where your knee is touching the ground the whole time, or coming back up and, half of it. And then you guys will go top end, so just where your knee comes from locked out and then starts to bend and then come back up, but you're not going all the way down. Then you got the full split squat, so starting all the way at the top, going all the way to the bottom, and coming back all the way up. Right? So 7, 7, and 7 all on one leg. That's going to be one leg, then you'll do the other leg. Once you've done the other leg, you've completed a single round of the complex. All right? The way you're going to do this as far as work to rest ratio is you're going to do a 2-minute clock is going. You start on 0, you do your right leg. All right? On minute 2, you'll do your left leg. On minute 4, you'll start round 2 by doing your right leg again. All right? That's how it works. So you'll do 3 rounds per side of that split squat complex, and you'll go on an every 2-minute clock to do that. All right? Then you guys will go into truss fall. This is another comp train workout. You've got AMRAP for 20 minutes. You guys will be doing 40 air squats, 20 push-ups, and 10 reverse burpees. All right? Every 2 minutes, on the starting with 0, so starting the workout off, you're going to do 40 double unders. All right. If double unders are tough, obviously you could scale to the singles. You can scale to a modified mixture of them, but we shouldn't be taking probably any longer than 45 seconds to a minute to get the double unders done. All right. So if you're scaling and you're getting them done in less than 30 seconds, then you're probably not scaling appropriately, where you're actually getting the impact that you need from those. And then if you're taking over a minute, you're probably not scaling appropriately, which means you're taking too much time in the workout. Then you're not going to do as many air squats, you're not going to do as many push-ups or reverse burpees, and you're also probably making a lot of mistakes on double unders, which if you're making mistakes over and over on double unders, you're probably not learning to do them better, right? We want to be successful. So pick the rep scheme that makes you successful on double unders, stick to it, cap yourself at about 45 seconds if you're not done, and then move on. Right, so every 2 minutes, starting with 0, so starting the workout out, you'll do 40 double unders. All right, get as many rounds and reps as possible in 20 minutes. Your double under reps do not count towards your score for today's workout. All right, if you guys, this workout is the same for barbell, dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever. It's the same. All right, nobody gets a difference. If you don't have a jump rope, you can do line hops or plate hops. All right. That's going to be your workout for Friday. Then your cool down is going to finish with 5 cobra push-ups, 7 hamstring curls, which are pretty difficult, so make sure you're modifying as needed or making them as easy as possible. But basically you just need a sliding surface to be able to do that. You could use couch sliders on a hard surface, or you can just take your shoes off and go through your socks onto a hard surface. All right? Then a 30-second couch stretch on each side, making sure you're pulling that pelvis underneath you as always. And that will conclude your Friday and the rest of the week. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this week, and we got another one coming at you next week. Don't forget about our happy hour at 5:15. It was a lot of fun last week. We're not doing any games or anything. We're just hanging out. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.